Join your hand.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud
proud of its
of its
rich and
rich and
varied heritage.
varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be
try to be
of it.
worthy of it.
I shall do my
I shall do my
parents,
parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all others
and all others
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
My country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
India will be
India will be
and prosperity,
and prosperity,
alone lies
alone lies
my happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
To everyone, today's international and national news is brought to you by Niharika of Grade 3 Hazel. International news. Sri Lanka opposition civic activities beyond take out anti-government rally. Rishi Sunak becomes third Minister of the Year. He is officially announced as UK Prime Minister. National news. India currently has 53 million unemployed people and its labor force participation rate has declined from 58% in 2005 to just 40% in 2021, of the lowest levels in the world. Thank you. Have a short day. My friend Vihan will continue state and sport news. Morning to all. State and sport news is brought to you by Vihan of Grade 3 Hazel. State news. Innovation Center to come at Hyderabad Public School. BJP denies links with persons accused let poaching. Sport news. Dunman replaces Mayank as captain of head of upcoming IPL season. Thank you, my friend. Will continue the weather report.
Morning everyone.
And today is brought to you by Saipan from Grade 3 Hazel. Weather report. Maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. More sweet lovely. Thank you. My friend will continue straight and fourth news. Good morning to all. Today's thought is brought to you by Aris of Great Creator. Thought. Every day may not be good. There is something good in every day. Thank you. My friend will continue word of the day.
Good morning to all. Today's word is brought to you by Sahasra of Grade 3 Hazel. Word. Good morning to all. Today's word is brought to you by Sahasra of Grade 3 Hazel. Word. A tile meaning domestic eater. Friends, please spell after me. D-O-M-E-S-T-E-C-A-T-E-D. Domesticated. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. My friend will be continue GK questions.
Morning to all. questions are brought to you by Karnat of grade 3 Hazel. First quiz question goes to grade 1 and 2. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? No, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. To grade 3 and 4. What is the fastest land animal? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us to grade 5. What is the closest star to the Earth?
1 second.
I will repeat it once again. What is the closest star to the Earth? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us repeat it. Next, my friend Vaijnath will continue. Next GK questions. Thank you. Have a bright day. Morning to all. Today's GK questions. Good morning to all. Today's GK questions from grade 6 and 9 is brought to you by K. Vaishnath of grade 3 Hazel. Question from grade 6 and 7. In human body, which organ purifies blood?
Lungs.
Yes, you have picked the right answer. Let us appear there. Question from grade 8 and 9. Which Africa country is very famous for chocolate? Yes, you have picked the correct answer. Let us